It's the time of year of family, holidays, and glee. But have you thought about what you'll put under the tree? Do not fret, we've got your back to make sure you avoid any flack. Here's a one-spoke holiday shopping guide for your special rider and kiddo. Without any further interruption, let's begin while you started to watch this video. So much to learn, so much to read. Here's some material you'll definitely need. Easy Riders magazine is back with a new image. It's a new lifestyle brand with artistic renditions, a much more all-ages reader base with tamer conditions. I'm not hating on the iconic brand, so don't get mad and say oh please. After all, it's how I learned about the birds and the bees. It has an emphasis on travel, events, and much more, even touching photography and passioning work, moving stories you can't ignore. The stories are impressive, all of which are non-fiction, so maybe it's worth to get a subscription. I suppose you'll want something simpler for the little tyke by your side. Here's something that may make them want to ride. An illustrated book called Motorcycle Road Trip. It may keep a child quiet while riding in your cars. It's listed on Amazon, just short of 5 stars. You may call me old-fashioned, and that's fine if you do. Here's something your grandfather might have had, but it's intriguing yet new. Motorcycle model kits can look authentic or unusual, but something you can work with your hands is always beautiful. There's different skill sets, regardless of age or knowledge. It's something for everyone, whether or not you went to college. Give this a real effort. It's worth it if you do. Make sure you pick up some paint and some glue. We can never have too much art in our lives. It's a fact, don't debate. But here's some powerful work that we can advocate. Artist David Mann, he's a legend for his work. If you say otherwise, that means you're just a jerk. His artwork has been idolized and a symbol of the culture above all. It sure would look nice hanging from your wall. His shop sells prints, keychains, and apparel. It would be the talk of the town after everyone's done with carols. Man stand alone, there's no designated hitter. But there's one new artist I want you to consider. He's unique and splashy, I must advise. He goes by the name of Buster Wise. Harleys and Indians, choppers and commissions. His piece on Freddy Krueger is my favorite addition. I'm impressed by his work, his audience will grow. By the way, you'll find all these links down below. Hitting the road is fun and adventurous. Here's a fun accessory to give people a frame of reference. GoPros are fun and show a unique point of view. They're durable little gadgets, filming without a Hollywood crew. Do your homework and compare the different devices. It's worth it because of the wide range of prices. Our last one is abstract, that we'll admit, but it may result in a unique home run that you're gonna hit. Go to Etsy.com, but be prepared to be caught off guard. You may find your very own wild card. Think of it as an online flea market that's worth every cent. It's the ideal place to find a custom present. Custom signed to jewelry, even fixtures, and much more. There's so many options, you can easily go poor. Take your time to search, you'll find a gem to get you out of a bind. We wouldn't be surprised if you find a gift that's one of a kind. That wraps up our annual gift guide video. Hopefully it helped with your idea drought, because putting a smile on your loved one is what it's all about.